Hey, it's Rich back with you for another video. We have a 1981 Cessna Turbo 210N. We got to do a test flight on. This one has the G3X, Garmin G3X Touch. I've not flown that before, and so we're going to do a test flight, take you along for the ride, and show you these avionics. Leveled off here. This is just a quick maintenance flight. I really have done a lot of videos on 210, so I'm kind of focused on not to take anything away from this airplane. It's a beautiful airplane, new interior, new paint, low time engine, low airframe time. This one's not for sale. We sold it quickly and didn't even really get a chance to get it on the market. But we're 4,500 feet. True airspeed's about 160 knots on 28 inches of manifold pressure and 2,400 RPMs and about 19 gallons an hour. And this airplane has the big thing different that I have not seen before is this G3X Touch. So you have a G3X Touch. We got the a Garmin audio panel, a Garmin 650 GTN 650, second comm by Garmin, ADS-B transponder, and then the G500 autopilot with the G5 backup. Okay, so again, I have not flown. This is the first time I've been in a G3X Touch, and I think the origin of this was for the experimental market, and Garmin certified it, and you know, the G500, 600, and then the TXI, which is the current version of that, is what I've spent most of my time in. And, you know, this is very impressive. There's a lot of similarities, but they are a little bit different in the way they behave, but it's a really good system. And, you know, for the matching the capability and what you're spending for the airplane, I think is, because I think the G3X Touch is a little less money. You can still couple it with a Garmin 500 autopilot, you know, 750s, whatever you want to do with the navigators, and you have a complete, you know, standalone Garmin package. And I think that's kind of how the G3X Touch was designed, really, to go with all Garmin stuff. And so this airplane has the G3X Touch, primary flight display with engine instruments, and so it's really easy to work. You got an autopilot with all the selectors that change on the primary flight display. And your primary flight display, you know, talks to in this case, the 650 or 750 if you had it. So just a really nice setup, and all Garmin. Everything in here is Garmin now. And one thing I really like about it is the engine instruments integrated into the primary flight display. And you can see here you've got got full engine instruments with your cylinder head temperatures and a really nice manifold pressure, everything, and you can display it differently. You can have it here up all the time or touch it again, it goes there. If you want to go to a full screen, you go there, get your flight plan. If you want to go to half map, you can do that. It's just really customizable, you know, however you want it. And it's one of the great things about having these state-of-the-art Garmin Avionics married to an airplane like this is really nice. And my, you know, first impression, I'm going to do an ILS back into Long Beach, but first impression of the G3X Touch is you know, it's really, really nice. And it's nice to see Garmin making and investing in capability for an airplane in this class, where I think the G500, 600 are more, you know, upstream from the 210s and down. Okay, one thing that Garmin Autopilot has, the G500, is a level button in this particular application. I've seen them with and without it. I'm not sure exactly if that's optional or not. But I'm going to put the airplane, the autopilot's off, I'm going to put the airplane, I'm going to turn the flight director off too. Put the airplane in kind of a unusual attitude here. And then let go, and then hit level. And let's just watch what happens. So wings level, and goes into altitude hold. You can see up here, level, level. It just goes into level mode. So whatever, it's not seeking any altitude, just wings level and pitching down to a level altitude, which is a really nice safety feature, where if, you know, a pilot gets disoriented or spatial disorientation, has any, not sure, the autopilot doesn't know what's going on, just hit the blue button and it'll roll wings level and hold level pitch attitude. So then I can go back to heading mode, center up the heading bug, go back to heading mode, to turn here, and we'll go into vertical speed and go down, and we have 4,500. And so we've taken it out of the level mode and put it in heading. Watch what I touch here. Heading, vertical speed down, and then it'll go down to 4,500 and level off. Okay, so we're going to make a turn back to Long Beach, and then we'll pick back up on the ILS going into Long Beach and see how this thing does on a coupled ILS. Okay, so I made about 4 calls to SoCal there, and not getting any luck. Busier than I've seen. I can't remember a time when I could, you know, get an ILS practice into 3-0. So we're just gonna have to go to the Queen Mary and join up on a VFR pattern into Long Beach. I have no doubt that this system with the G500 will fly a real nice ILS. Any instrument approach will be just a treat with these Avionics package. So we're gonna head into Long Beach VFR, and we'll check in on the ground.
Yankee, you could widen out your downwind for space.
We'll do, and we got him in sight. Traffic will follow him. 88 Yankee. Yeah, so I'm slowed way down here to like 75 knots. Let that guy get some separation. He can do S turns, like, so I'm not going to make a straight in. I'm kind of going back and forth, and that gives me even more space. Let's him get.
No delay, Foxtrot.
Let this guy get ahead of us.
3, contact ground 4340.
Foxtrot Bravo, thank you. Base 60526 left, clear for the option.
Base 60526 left, clear to land. 2 Foxtrot Bravo.
Okay, gear down. We got a green light. That means it's down and locked. I can see it over there.
40, no delay. 26 left, clear for takeoff.
No delay.
Props. Bring the prop up. Up. More.
Manor 249 taken, your current position?
Just past the breakwater, 249.
249, roger, left traffic 26 left, just maintain out above 1,500.
500.
Some air in here.
Yeah, continue runway heading, following the Cessna, about 5 minutes with me.
Descent to pattern altitude 1,000.
Descend to 1000, spook 249.
Or 840 crosswind is first.
Turning crosswind 840.
Yankee Fox 3 OCR.
Ready, Yankee Sierra Launch Ground, say again your request.
Taxi OCR, we're on Fox 3.
1 Yankee Sierra, roger. After the plane that passes by taxi Foxtrot OCR.
After the traffic, OCR be a Fox 6188 Yankee.
Okay, we're back on the ground in the 210 after, I've been flying out of Long Beach for a long time and I don't ever remember not being able to get in to do a straight in 3-0 for an ILS. It was just super jammed up, which is really nice. A lot of people are out flying and that's good to see. We got back on the ground, really nice 210 with the G3X touch. I really like it. I mean, I would expect that from Garmin, so it's not that I'm surprised, but it's nice to get exposed to it. Hope you got something out of it. If you got any questions about any airplanes, give us a call at OCR Aviation. You can check us out at ocraviation.com or email at sales@ocraviation.com. Thanks for watching.